Welcome to Ken's Kids Channel. Guess what? Huh? Jumbled Toys! Oh no! I got Jumbled Toys again! Can you help me sort these toys, Ate Kiara? Sure, Ken! Wait a minute! Where are the organizer boxes? The first box, Bubbles, Doctor Toys, Beach Toys, Play Toys.
Second box.
The second box are Adult Toys.
Okay, how about the third box?
And the third box are Blocks. And the fourth box are Kitchen Toys. And the fifth box are Animals, Human Toys, Robots, House Things. Sixth box are McDonald's Toys, Jollibee Toys, Vehicle Toys, Transportations.
Yes! Yay! Are you ready to sort your toys now, Ken?
Yes!
And Ate Kiara?
Yes, of course. We'll dump each toy into the proper box. Yes!
Let's sort now. What is the
This
first
one
toy?
is the McDonald's toy.
Yes.
That's why it's called McDonald's, because it's more like Mario. McDonald's and Mario.
Yeah. Can you show? Okay, got this. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Put that in the proper box now.
Here, the big box.
Okay, the big box. Now, next one. Can you get one toy? So, where is it? What is that?
A McDonald's.
Is that McDonald's? Yeah, okay. But it's part of vehicle, so it's here in the big box. Go.
Oh yeah, because it's a McDonald's.
Yeah. It's vehicles and transportation in the big box.
Just
Okay.
go away. It's mine. Just
Okay.
go away. It's mine.
Next. What is that?
Yoshi.
Huh?
I think this is no, that's Yoshi. This is a McDonald's.
Still a McDonald's toy. It's like a crocodile
Yeah.
riding on a bike.
Oh, yeah.
On a bike.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's Yoshi.
Yeah. Next, Ken.
A
Say
block.
block. Okay, put it in the box.
This should be in a train.
Okay.
Here, one, two, three.
Okay. Okay, what is that?
It's a robot. That's
A robot from
That's a
McDonald's.
sound robot.
Yeah.
This is from McDonald's. Yeah, it's from McDonald's.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm not. There's always we keep on picking the McDonald's, so I'm gonna pick.
What is that? A hero? He's a superhero?
Wait, I think so.
Oh, in the big box.
Wee. 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 What's that?
Is that there? Oh, human toys. Yeah.
His blood.
It's a.
Oh, it's a Dumbo toy.
It's an elephant from McDonald's.
Are you sure?
Is that from McDonald's? Yeah, it's from McDonald's.
That was a Kiara's. Yeah, and she gave it to me.
Big box. Next.
The black man.
Okay. Next.
This one.
McDonald's. Yeah, it's part from McDonald's.
But
Where's
yeah.
the part?
I don't know where.
Okay, just put it here.
I'm just gonna put it in. Oh, it's another. You can see rainbow stuff.
Okay, you
Is
show.
it? You can see rainbow stuff.
Okay, next. It's a robot.
When you look at the mirror, there is rainbow.
You can see
rainbow.
Oh.
Cool.
It's a robot from McDonald's. Okay,
It's my turn to pick. What is this? It's
a car.
Yeah, McDonald's.
Okay,
It's a car. It's a tiny car.
tiny car.
I am driving to the
Okay,
Goodbye. See you.
vehicles in the big box.
More like a dump truck. Yay! I'm smiling.
So what is that?
It's going to a beach.
Okay, you show it to the camera again. What is that?
It's McDonald's.
The McDonald's box is going.
Okay.
I'm gonna open you.
It's going to the
Let's go to the beach with my friends.
It's sort out that one there.
Ooh, I'm getting.
Okay, minion is where?
That's a
McDonald's toy.
Okay.
I got an idea.
I think this is Despicable 3. I think.
I got an
okay.
idea.
Dump into the box, the big box.
Superman.
Superman. I know where it is.
Oh, it's Superman.
no.
Show it to the camera.
Superman.
Slowly.
Is that McDonald's or Jollibee?
McDonald? Is that McDonald, Ken?
I think I saw it from Jollibee.
Where can I see it?
Look, he's so cute. Guys.
Okay, whatever it is, just dump it into the big box because the big box is for
Look at this.
McDonald and Jollibee toys.
Da-da-da-da.
Okay, here.
Oh, yung
Go.
Captain America! Joking.
In
Superman.
a big box.
Very interesting. Another superhero.
It's Flash.
Flash? His name is Flash?
Yeah.
Wee!
Put it. Okay.
Wee!
Okay, so
Bye-bye.
that's McDonald.
Who are rocket ship? This is from McDonald's.
Okay. Wow, it's nice. It's a rocket ship. I like it. It's so strong. Okay, what is that? Hot Wheels?
No, this is Fast and Furious.
Yeah, it's vehicles. It's in the big box. McDonald's.
I'm gonna pick.
Oh no!
It's a rabbit. Okay, it's an animal.
Rabbit.
So, animals there.
We keep on making actions. Thomas.
It's from McDonald's.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it's a whistle.
It's so dirty.
Did you whistle? Did you blow? Okay.
Oh wait,
It's a whistle train.
I'm gonna go to my friend. Where's the?
Okay, it's a McDonald's toy. Okay, next.
Tiny.
It's
a
a block. Okay, there.
A blue block.
This is the best. Mario.
Mario.
Oh, nothing. Coin
One
and
coin.
mushroom.
That's so nice. Okay. Dump it into this big box. It's a house from Jollibee.
Is this a house?
Yeah, this is
A
the house.
store.
There's a hole on it. There's a side white.
That's a garage.
Oh, yeah, it's a garage.
I thought it was a house, but there's no food on it. So, Jollibee. Ooh, Jollibee's.
There. He's playing a guitar. Zing. Zing.
Another Jollibee.
Oh, I'm flying.
Sure, this is a Hot Wheel.
Yeah, okay. It's a Hot Wheel.
There's you know.
Okay. Wow, that's my favorite.
I think it's
I like
right
it.
here.
Let me see.
A delivery truck.
Oh,
It's not
it's
there.
like that.
Let them show it.
I'm the one who showed it.
You can't reach, Ken. Just left it there. Okay. What is that? Let me see. Okay, this is a delivery truck from here. From Jollibee.
Give me.
And he is called
Yum yum.
Yum Yum.
Because he has a
Hi.
yum burger.
Yeah. I'm Yum Yum. I'm gonna deliver some Jollibee chicken.
Oops.
Joking.
I got two of my thumbnails. So I'm
one
gonna
will
take
pick?
this one.
Do you know who this is? This is from
The peanut movie.
Peanut Movie. Yeah.
Snoopy.
Snoopy.
Snoopy is that?
A friend of Snoopy. A Snoopy's friend. Hi.
Yellow bird.
Okay, it's a McDonald's. Okay, what is that, Ken? Okay, what is this?
I think there's
From?
a rabbit or a kitty. Something.
From McDonald's again. Look at it, so cute.
Like tangled.
Yeah. Okay, where is this? In the big box.
I am a thief. I am a thief. Oh no, Superman is there and Flash.
Okay, next.
I'm going to school.
Wow, it's a school bus. Wow, that's a great.
There's
Toy.
a picture on it,
Yeah.
but the other one is lost. I don't know where. We are candle.
Okay, this is from Jollibee.
Jollibee is driving the bus.
Hi. What's
This
that?
came from superhero.
Oh, I didn't
What is
see that one
this?
for a while.
Yeah. In real life.
I mean, not in real life,
Do you know
but
who this is?
That's Octopus Prime, but I don't know what's here.
Okay, this is from
Is it?
McDonald's, but Ken rarely plays this. Do you play this? What does this do?
it will turn around.
Like this. Oh yeah.
We got the
Okay, bye.
Donald. All clean.
Yay! Let's move on to the next bin.
Check out, guys! All the toys are in their proper boxes.
You can sort out your toys too.
Yes!
Hello? And guys, thank you for subscribing to our channel.
Yes, we are so happy that we have reached more than 100 subscribers.
Yes, we thank you from the bottom of our heart.
Mommies, we got reading videos for your little toddlers.
And preschoolers. Check out our playlist on reading phonics.